last woman I saw with this was actually in tears. She was having 8 or 9 out of 10 pain very intensely for quite a while. She didn't know what to do. She's been rubbing it, which increases inflammation. The nerve lives very close to the surface, and any pressure on that is very aggravational and increases inflammation quite severely. And the nerve is about as wide as a pencil and thick like a noodle. So it's big, comes out of the neck, travels through the armpit, and one of the areas that travels through is that carpal tunnel right here, which is made of the carpal bones. And you can look at some other videos where we describe the carpal tunnel in detail. So what do? It feels warm because it's inflamed, it's irritated, so let's shrink the inflammation with cold, all right? We never wanna put heat on that. This is a severe condition that is occurring acutely, which means it's new. Chronic is just something that's old, that's been going on for a long time. It's acute, it just started with pregnancy, and boy, it's intense.